Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A11 and I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. First we need to lock the screen on our phone. To do it, press the power button. Then we need to locate the SIM card and SD card tray. On this device it's located right here on the left side. Let's pick up our phone, place it like this, and hopefully you can see it. And it's right here, the SIM card SD card tray. To open the tray you need some kind of pin. Usually the pin that comes with your phone is the best thing, but you could use something else like a paper clip, anything that fits this hole right here. You need to insert the pin into this hole like that, then push it in. The tray will pop out. We can remove the pin, take out the tray with our fingers like that. Let's place our phone right here, pick up our tray, and here we have it in its all glory, our SD card and SIM card tray. To place the SIM card on it, simply take your nano size SIM card and place it on a tray like this. It only fits one way, so don't worry, you won't mistake it. Then take your micro SD card and place it on a tray like that. It also fits only one way, like this. And now we can insert the tray into our phone. Be careful though, because the cards tend to fall off from the tray. To prevent that, I usually pick up my phone. Just give me a second, I need to put them back on the tray, like this. Like I said before, to prevent the cards falling from the tray, I pick up my phone, lay it flat like this, and then insert the tray into the phone and slowly slide it in till the end. And now I can place my phone right here, wake up the screen, and as you can see the SIM card is working because we need to unlock it. So let's enter the pin and tap OK. And SD card is working as well because we have a notification about it right here. And that's how you insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.